France, a country in Western Europe, has medieval towns, alpine villages and beaches. Paris, its capital, is famous for its fashion houses, its classical art museums, including the Louvre, and its monuments such as the Eiffel Tower. The country is also renowned for its wines and fine cuisine. The cave paintings in the caves of Les Caux, the Roman theatre in Lyon and the immense Palace of Versailles testify to its rich history. The French affectionately call their beloved homeland l'Hexagone because of its distinct six-sided shape. Each corner of France has its own unique character: the rugged and outdoorsy French Alps, sun-drenched and slow-paced Provence, the glamorous and gorgeous Côte d'Azur coastline, and idyllic Alsace, a pastoral region where storybook hamlets are tucked away in the vine-covered rolling hills. Paris and Versailles are must-see destinations for a first trip to France. Other classic travel itineraries include stops at fashionable seaside resorts, fairy-tale castles, and glorious Gothic cathedrals. More off-the-beaten-path experiences are found in the countryside, such as at farmhouses in Burgundy, fishing villages in Brittany, and quaint towns in the forests of the Pyrenees Mountains. From cultured cities to pristine nature sites, France offers endless tourist attractions. Discover this fascinating and diverse country with our list of the best places to visit in France. Appreciated for its elegance and joie de vivre, Paris is a grand European capital filled with architectural masterpieces like the Eiffel Tower and the Notre Dame Cathedral. Reflecting the city's rich heritage, the Louvre, one of the top museums in Paris, contains an exceptional fine arts collection, while the Musée d'Orsay and the Musée de l'Orangerie display treasures of French Impressionist art. Other charms of Paris are its atmospheric medieval quarters and graceful boulevards. Quintessential tourist experiences include shopping at bookshops in the Latin Quarter, strolling the Champs-Élysées, and people watching from a sidewalk cafe terrace on the Boulevard Saint-Germain-des-Prés. A short train ride from Paris is the UNESCO-listed Palace of Versailles. Built for Louis XIV, the Sun King, this opulent 17th-century palace is a testament to the glory and absolute power of the French monarch. The chateau's splendid Baroque facade, dazzling hall of mirrors, and fountain-adorned formal gardens allow visitors to imagine a scene of France's bygone royal court. 2. The charming countryside of Provence. In contrast to the grey skies of Paris and northern France, the charming region of Provence basks in bright Mediterranean sunshine most of the year. This rural area feels untouched by the modern world and has a rugged, earthy appeal. The rolling hills are covered with a patchwork of small farms, olive groves, sunflowers, and lavender fields. Fragrant rosemary, sage, and thyme and other wild herbs grow here in abundance and enliven the local cuisine. In this dreamy landscape, Impressionist painters found inspiration to create vibrant works of art. Visitors are enchanted by the perched villages, which crown Provence's hilltops. Two favorite destinations are Saint-Paul-de-Vence, a picture-perfect walled medieval town, near many Côte d'Azur tourist spots, such as Zez, and Igordes, which is among the top attractions in the Louvre. In the heart of Provence, traditional ambience is found on the tree-shaded streets and outdoor cafes of Aix-en-Provence, at the festivals of Arles, and by the old seaport of Marseille. Also not to be missed are the Palais des Papes in Avignon, the legendary beach resort of Saint-Tropez, and the Roman theatre in Orange, one of the amazing sights of the Haute Vaucluse. Also known as the French Riviera, the Côte d'Azur is a glamorous stretch of Mediterranean coastline named for its deep azure blue waters. The skies are often a mesmerizing cerulean hue as well, thanks to the sunny weather most of the year in this area of southern France. Stretching roughly from Saint-Tropez, overlapping with the Provence region, to Menton, less than 30 kilometers from the border with Italy, the Côte d'Azur has been a fashionable seaside resort destination since the early 19th century. Spring and autumn bring milder weather and a quieter, more relaxing atmosphere. The Côte d'Azur has something for everyone. Nice is the place to enjoy the good life, visit art museums, and stroll along cobblestone streets and palm-fringed boulevards. Within a short drive from Nice are places to visit as day trips, such as splendid waterfront villas and top-notch art museums. Among the most famous French Riviera tourist attractions are Cannes, which has a dazzling beachfront promenade and an alluring old town, and Monaco, a tiny royal principality that is synonymous with luxury and decadence. Both Cannes and Monaco feature five-star hotels, acclaimed restaurants, and yacht-filled marinas. Sun worshippers en Savoie plus Suez text source.